Cost of ready-made feed is very high. Nutrient content is also not assured. Hence, feed may be prepared on the farm itself. According to animal nutrition experts, feed composition must be like this: broken maize 40%, wheat polish 30%, dicot gram powder 10%, broken rice 10%, and soya bean 10%. Add 1 kilogram of common salt, 2 kilograms of mineral mixture, and 1 kilogram of digestible crude protein or DCP to 100 kilograms of main feed mixture. Pregnant and delivered does are given normal amount of feed only. It needs more feed if it has more than 3 kids. Generally, small amount of oil cake is mixed in drinking water. Some farmers put common salt also. Goats like this and drink.